All right, guys, 2019 BMW 540i. Let me show you guys what we've done to it. So they've got catless downpipes. Somebody else did that. Then the second resonators, the primary resonator's taken off. Somebody else did that too. Then pipe goes all the way, and then a Y pipe setup there, straight pipe. We just installed those BMW carbon fiber tips, M-batch BMW 5 carbon fiber tips, as you guys can see there. And right there. We're gonna let you guys hear it in a second. They started it earlier today and it sounds beastly. So stay tuned, guys. There's the stock tips that were on it that we took off. The aftermarkets, but they're blue flame that burned up. So they got these. I guess it shoots flames, that's why. But stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. That's doable. Go ahead and give it gas. Wow. Again. Shit, bro, this is loud. Perfect. Go ahead and back. Oh, wait. Let me do a sound decibel. Go ahead. Right at 112. Go ahead and back it up. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. That's our beautiful shop right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. That's sick. That's a good looking BMW right there. Sounds amazing. Sounds like a freak. That's sick. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. So my guy didn't have it in the Sport Plus. They're gonna switch it to Sport Plus now. And we're gonna see the sound difference. Go ahead. One more. Take off, enjoy it. For the windy day, so you might hear some wind, but it's okay. Get you guys a nice drive off. That sucker flies. It's got a barbell tune. It sounds so good. Enjoy, guys. Let me know what you guys think of the sound.